They're serious with love and one wrong. One secretary Kim. May upcoming movie na rin sila.
Sumanda na sa kilig na hatid na Kim Pao. We have Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino.
Hello po. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I heard you've had a long day and I'm happy that you're all here, well rested, and I hope masarap yung snacks natin. And of course, thank you for gracing us with this
Yes, so diba, intro pa lang, they were all already screaming. I love yung energy nila. Everybody's so excited that you're here. So what can you say about yung success ng Kim Pao?
What can we say? Syempre, hindi ko din alam. Ano lang ko sa aming dalawa. Pero, hello muna. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga nagmamahala naming advertisers. Thank you so much for supporting all our Kapamilya shows. We're very grateful to have you all here and in this room. And then, ayun, ano nga ba yun? Sobrang happy kami and grateful for the support that we're receiving sa buong kung saan man kami probinsya pumunta, and we just had ASAP in California.
Yes, that's right.
Tapos sobrang
Mapapanood pa lang yung prod natin this Sunday.
yes, this Sunday. Ang part 2 ng ASAP namin. So if you have time this Sunday, you can watch our part 2 ng ASAP California. Yun lang, sobrang kami thankful and very happy with the support that we're getting from everybody.
For me, I would say it's unexpected. I'm sure a lot of you here would say it's unexpected as well. But I'm very happy that we got to do 2 shows together and we got to pour out our talent and creativity doing those shows.
Yes, and kaka-announce lang din ng bagong movie which is called My Love Will Make You Disappear. So what can everybody expect sa movie na to? Gano'n na kayo ka-excited for its release?
Of course, it's our first movie. So, sobrang kami kinakabahan and we hope you get to support our movie. Pwede naman kayo mag-inclusion naman. Present tayo movie! Pero parang nahiya siya sa akin. Pero, push mo! Yes! Pero alam ko naman susuportahan kami na yung mga advertisers na mga pamilya na nandito ngayon. So, yun, excited kami. It's gonna be our first movie and our 3rd project together. And I just wanna say thank you to Paolo for doing this 3rd project with me. So, yun, we're very happy and excited dahil malapit na po ito. It's under Star Cinema and we're together with Chan Pidan.
Nasabi na ni Kim lahat. Thank you.
Message sa mga Kim Pao supporters naman.
To everyone who supported and watched our shows, I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I know part of this success is because of you guys. From Linlang to What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, napakaraming intrusion. So I want to thank everyone for your support, and I hope we get the same support for our upcoming movie. This Secret muna.
Malapit na po, malapit na. So, ayun, under Star Cinema, My Love Will Make You Disappear. I hope you get to support us. Thank you so much, everybody. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, once again, give a round of applause to Kim Pao, Kim Chu, and Paolo Avellino.
Thank you so much for joining us here
Thank
today.
you so much.
Maraming salamat.